Hello sir, my name is Manisai, bearing roll number 20955A0407 from ECEB section. Today I will discuss about infix to postfix conversion. First of all, in this video I will tell about what is postfix expression, the different methods to convert infix to postfix, and the conversion of infix to postfix using stack. It is nothing but application of stacks. Like infix to postfix, there are many conversions. First of Firstly, the postfix expression means it is a statement in which contains operands and different types of operators. But in infix, the operator is present in between the operands, but in postfix expression, the operators are placed after the operands. So here is the example. Infix expression can be written as a plus b or a plus c like that, and the postfix expression for the above one is ab plus or ab star, ab asterisk, ab cap like that. The operator is present after the operands, and there are three types of methods majorly to convert infix to postfix expression: manual method, fast method, and conversion using stack. In this lecture I will tell about conversion using stack. How to convert a infix expression to postfix expression using stack. Let me take an example: a brackets a plus b cap c asterisk d plus e cap 5. This is the input expression, that is infix. And stack, we know the stack is about last in first out or first in last out. The term which comes in the first in the stack will be removed last, and which is entered last will be removed first. So basically we have operator precedence in this applications of stacks, so that first priority is for exponential, double exponential means double asterisk, and next for cap, and next for division, modular division operators. This is for first priority. Next, in second priority, there are multiplication asterisk, and modular division. This is for second. And the next priority is for plus addition, minus operator. This is third priority. Here in the stack, basically first the stack is empty, and the infix expression is written left to right. So firstly, a stack contains only operators. So push the bracket operator into the stack. First of all, it is empty, and next time it is in the stack. And next, push the and here we can write postfix string a operand, and again the stack will be with the operator bracket. In the next expression, plus operator will be pushed into the stack, and in the next attempt, and again there are two operators, plus and bracket. and this is the postfix string. This is the infix, and in the next attempt we have the postfix string is with AB and next C, and there are bracket plus and hashtag and cap operator. So here the comparing cap and plus, cap has the more priority, so cap will be present here. And next the stack contains plus cap and plus, and next we have the another bracket operator here. So since there are two operators in between the brackets, so two operators will be pushed into the postfix string, and the stack becomes empty. So asterisk has the first priority, so asterisk is placed first, and the plus operator is placed next. So then up to now the postfix expression is ABC cap plus, and next there is asterisk operator push into the stack, and there is D operand push into the postfix string D here, and in the next attempt there is a plus operator push into the stack star and plus. Since the star has the highest priority than plus, so then star will be popped from the stack and printed as output. So ABC cap plus D star D asterisk, and the plus will be present in the stack. And next trial, cap operator is pushed into the stack, and there is an operator E operand E. He is written as. And then in the next attempt, cap operator is pushed into the stack. So when cap operator is pushed into the stack, cap is as the more priority than positive place. First, we should know that the phi operand will be placed here, and next cap and plus. Comparing these two operators, cap has the more priority, so cap is placed first, and the plus operator is placed next. So the final expression is this: A, and the stack becomes empty in the last attempt. ABC cap plus D asterisk. So this is about the infix to postfix conversion. Thank you, sir.